I'm in my Mazda CX7 2.2 litre diesel. The dreaded DPF light is on and flashing. In my previous video, I showed you how to run the regen process and clean out all of the carbon from the DPF filter itself. In this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do to reset the DPF filter. Make sure the car's off. Connect a wire from the top terminal in the connector to an earthing point on the body. Turn the keys on the ignition all the way before it starts, and then press the accelerator 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn the car off. We remove our wire, and then we can start the car. The DPF filter warning light is no longer flashing, and we're good to go. Thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe if you like my channel and it's helped you out.